frozen blueberries?
Nope, just regular.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends.
Is it good?
Yeah. Pancakes, guys.
Pancakes, guys. If you're interested, I'll link it right here where Ethan's pointing.
One. We gotta take a bite and fence a bite. Put a gator, mix a gator.
Yeah.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, scissors, cut.
No, you got it. Hold on.
You say it, Mommy. Do it again. I'll say it.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, yeah.
Keep them out. Keep them out.
You want a fruity bowl?
You want a smoothie bowl?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please?
Yeah, sure. Silly. Is it good?
So good.
What'd you put in there?
Coconut and blueberries and jogging.
Chia seeds.
Yeah.
Seeds.
See you at lunch, friends.
See you lunch, friends.
Lunch is just a really quick and easy burrito bowl. I have an old video that's on my channel. If you're interested, I'll link it here. We've just got some jasmine rice mixed with refried beans, onion on top, lettuce. I really like the sweet butter lettuce and arugula mixed. Add some carrots and tomatoes, salsa, guacamole. I spice up the beans and rice with garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and cumin. It's so good. You love burrito bowls?
Mm-hmm.
One of our favorites, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's so easy.
Yeah. Thank you.
See you at dinner.
See you at dinner.
What are we gonna make?
Tofu bacon.
It's gonna be tasty.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some TLTs.
TELT.
Yes.
One, two, three.
You love it? Oh my gosh, big bite.